First of all, would like to thank you for being so supportive, interactive participants. You really participated with a lot of enthusiasm. I'm really very happy and a huge round of applause to all of you. Today we are gathered here to talk about life skills, how we can integrate in our students. One of the skill is we have to be the role models. If we are punctual, our students will be punctual. If we come to the school late, if we do not follow proper etiquettes, we do not follow proper dress code, what is given to us by the school, how we can ask our students why you are not wearing a tie or a belt if you are coming to the school without an I card. Am I right? How we can ask them? So let us be the role models for them. I have also learned a lot from you people. Let's keep on meeting each other. So here, ये कोई छोटा सा एक स्टेप है, हमें तो भी मंजिल की तरफ और आगे बढ़ते जाना है। और आपकी जो मंजिलें हैं, and I would like to wish all the best. You keep on achieving small milestones towards your goal, and make sure you enjoy, you celebrate each milestone you achieve. कोई milestone, कोई achievement छोटी बड़ी नहीं होती, वो आपको मोटिवेशन देती है और आगे बढ़ने के लिए। इसीलिए कहते हैं परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं, वही लोग रहते हैं खामोश अक्सर जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं। And I do not know, let me tell you what is the full form of BVM of your school. Before I ask, just would like to share something from me. I would like to wish you all to
be valuable members. So sweet.
I wish you all the best. Each one of you should be a valuable member of BMV School. BVM. Okay. ऊपर तो सही है. Be a valuable member of the school of BVM. Be a valuable member. हर कोई हमें जिंदगी में कुछ सिखाकर जाता है, right? And I've already shared with you my journey of learning different styles of calligraphy. How and when it started. It is just one font. I can write in more than 100 fonts. Computer तो हम अभी यूज करते हैं, but I can write in more than 100 fonts. There was just an inspiration कि क्यों मुझे कुछ नहीं आ रहा है ऐसा करके, और उस चीज को स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना है. That should be a source of motivation for you. कि मैं भी अगर करें, can we do it? Yes, we can. कभी आपको ये बोला है कि आपको मंजिल जरूर मिलेगी, बस उस चीज के लिए रखना है कि आपके सपनों में जान होनी चाहिए. पंख तो सभी के पास होते हैं, हौसले सभी के पास नहीं होते, क्योंकि उड़ान हौसलों से होती है. So I wish all of you all the very best, and thank you Neha ma'am for coordinating for the venue arrangement along with all of you. I'm really very grateful to BVM and the principal sir and each and every person associated with the school for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
I think a big thanks to Meenakshi ma'am. We have got a great opportunity to attend life skills. Actually, everyone have really experienced what life skills. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us, and we look forward to have more learnings from you. And I think this is just the beginning. But as you said, the journey is on. Right? We are not going to end here. And yes, at the end, be a valuable member of the BVM family. And I extend thanks to each one of you being here, and yes, being most participating. really enjoyed. I think the skit presentation has showcased your creative skills, which you have showcased. Like each one of you have showcased your creative skills. So bravo to each one of you. I think that's really bring us this creativity in our classrooms. These students really miss this creativity, which we enjoyed. Aren't we all enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you looking so happy and so smiling. That's what life skills. So thank you so much and thank you, ma'am. And let's have one group photograph and then we'll disperse. Enjoy your weekend and let's meet on Monday. Thank you.